Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So in today's video, as you guys can see from the title, it's going to be me trying out some relaxed hairstyles from Pinterest. So I went through Pinterest this morning and I got myself some. I just took down some. Don't think I'm gonna do all of them, but anyways, my hair was recently processed, so it is quite fine. And then yesterday I washed it and set it up, like mirrored it up. So yeah, it is pretty clean, full of oil. It has oil in it. It has because I oil my scalp, so it's fine. But anyways, it doesn't have any gel or anything like that in it, so best time to do this video. So I'm gonna be going through and I'll put the picture of whatever I'm trying. Guys, may not think me I can do this, but alright, so I'm gonna be putting the picture of whatever I'm gonna try on the screen. So let me scoot over, so this little part right here so will be my part to show. Now we want to start off easy. I have quite a few. Which one do I want to start with? Guys, let me tell you, see, from my hair cream, I do it like this a lot. I don't know if you guys ever see me do the little part where we kind of do the part, yeah, and it kind of come around. So it's like your flat twist here, so flat twist here, so, and it come around. Yeah, I do that a lot. I found out from last year for my birthday, there's one that I do this and two drop down here, so it goes in one. Yeah, I found out with that one, and that is about it. Those are most of the 3 hairstyles I do, pretty much. And like straight, like when my hair straight, just wear it down straight. So I just wanted to find out, new hairstyles, so I decided to try this. We're gonna start off simple. We're gonna start with this one. So this one right here, it's gonna be the first one. Now what do I do first, lad? I'm gonna do camera. I carry my combs, I'm gonna carry some scrunchie, I'm gonna carry my toothbrush, and I carried my, that's something I call Let's Jam regular hold. Yeah, so that's what I brought to the table. So I'm gonna get my mirror and I'll be back in a sec. Hi, how are ya? Oh good. I don't know why I keep doing that. That's Jeffree Star style, not mine, sweetie. So I'm gonna set my mirror down here, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm gonna do. So I went for some smaller scrunchies and I only have one black, so I don't want to put any elastic in my hair because I don't want it to tear. So we're gonna be using these colorful things in my hair right now. Oh, focus. So all right, so we're going to start. She has like chapart in a tree, but she have little piece down here, so look anything like what she did, so let's move on to the next one. So the next one I'm gonna go easy because this was not easy at all. I'm gonna try this one. So basically this is just one, so let me pull out this quick and fast. Got my mirror so I can see. This one is just like one, and you kind of make a bun on the top. Now let's see if we can do this. By the way guys, we can never do hairs what do you call it, like if you part this side, we can't part it on the same side. So yeah, don't come at me. I'm not a professional hairdresser. I can do hair, I can braid hair. If you're here in the rain guys, it's pouring outside and I'm not stopping my video because I want this video. So this rain. The bun not working. The bun really not working. The bun want to fix. The bun want a little hair because my hair is not thick, so want a little hair. Oh gosh, this is not good. And then it look like me do it too far down to one of them. I don't know. These hairstyles though not working at all. Yeah guys, so it has been hours later. My eyes are asleep. People bringing a tear out the door from evening, lightning and all, so I just paused. So we're gonna go again, or we're gonna continue. My ear all look like it dry out. Jamaica just asleep on it, but oh well. So we're gonna go to the next hairstyle. If you guys can hear, you can still hear the thunder and all. So we're gonna be quick. Wow. Okay. So the next one that we're gonna try is, where is it? So we tried that one. That one. We have two more to try. I'm gonna see if I can try this one. Now I've done something similar to this, so this should not be too hard. so you got the idea of what it's supposed to look like. Comment down below if this looks like anything near. I think this is the closest to it, to any of the hairstyles I've done so far. So let me know down below what y'all think. It's actually cute, you know. This is actually cute. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Alright, so now for the final hairstyle, which I think is probably going to be the simplest. I couldn't find any other one that I wanted to try, because they were mostly basically the same thing, like with this, but in a different way. So I decided, you know, why do that so many times when I can try something else. So again, my hair is not going to look as flat as hers because of what I did, you know, because I made mine curly and all. So we're gonna try. So hers is a side part. And I'm gonna put my side here, so, or somewhere here. Alright, so I'm gonna put here, so because it catch up your ear too long. So oh my god, this is just too much. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it wasn't all that, but yes guys, if you do try any of these hairstyles, you know, not when me try the one, I'm showing over there, so yeah, if you do try any of them, you know, tag me on Instagram at @BrassBabyGirl and let me see how yours turn out. I know it probably gonna turn out better because probably you've spent more time. I didn't really spend the time in this video, you know, to really do it and all. So I will be trying these otherwise because they weren't actually that bad. I just need to spend more time. For example, the one that came up here, you know, with the bun, that looked cute. I just need like probably a little more hair in it, so I need like probably a little extension or something. But yes guys, and probably if my hair wasn't this curly, most of the other especially the last one would probably look much better. So if you do try out any of these hairstyles, let me know, tag me and all. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, share with your friends, so yeah, so that we can grow as a family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.